guys,
hey.
I'm Hayley and this is Kyle, and we're here to take you guys around Vietnam for 2 weeks. We've just landed in Ho Chi Minh City. We took a direct flight from Melbourne to Ho Chi Minh. It was super easy. It's our first time here, so we're really excited.
We're here for 3 days before taking you guys on a tour around the rest of the country. We're super excited to show you the best parts of Ho Chi Minh, what it has to offer, all the best food, all the best places to take photos, just all the best stuff. So yeah, super excited.
Woo, let's go. We are on our way to the Cu Chi tunnels. It's about, is that right?
Cu Chi.
It's about an hour and a half drive from Saigon city centre, or Ho Chi Minh. And these tunnels were used back in the Vietnam War. They were used for soldiers to hide in, and apparently they stretch out for 72 miles.
During the wartime, they built that one just by human power. Yes, there's only by hands. They dig over 250 kilometers zigzag underground. Can I stand?
I will fight again. Get it.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, hold it, please. Hold it. Hold it. Get close.
Close it.
Perfect.
How's that, Tien?
Yeah, that's right.
Scary.
I think I want to fit through here with large arms.
Yeah.
Alright, it's 1 PM. We haven't eaten yet. We've been holding off because apparently this is the best banh mi in Ho Chi Minh City. My banh mi. I'm a big bread fan and I'm so keen for this, so let's go. It's really good. Oh, just demolished this, but it's so good. Tell me again, doubling up. Hey, is it okay if I order one more of the lemongrass with basil? Yeah, okay. One more? Yeah, thanks, mate. That was pretty spicy.
Out of all the banh mi's I've had in my life, it's the best, so I'm going to give it a 10.
I agree.
It's so good. And to give you guys an idea of like how expensive it was for us, was about $35 Australian for 3 banh mi's, because Kyle got 2. And we got rice, pepper rolls and drinks. So I'm sure you can eat cheaper, but we just heard this place was really good.
But
so.
$35 for the quality of food we had was pretty,
so worth it.
pretty damn good. My banh mi in Ho Chi Minh, the district one,
We've just arrived in a town called Gai Pe, which is on the Mekong Delta, which is a massive river that runs down from the Himalayas all through Cambodia, Laos, and then down to the bottom of Vietnam. It's about a 2.5 hour drive south of Ho Chi Minh City, and we're about to get on a boat and have a cruise around the river and see some floating markets, and yeah, it's gonna be really good, so let's go. Rice wine, smells like whiskey, 29% alcohol. Yo?
Yo.
Which is cheers in Vietnamese.
Let's get lit. Oh, cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers. Yo, yo, yo.
It's our 3rd and last day in this crazy city. So far we've absolutely loved it, but we've got a few other spots we want to hit up before we head up north. Right now we're going to take some photos at this really cool pink church building, and then we're going to go try some Vietnamese coffee, get some more Vietnamese food, and check out some other cool touristy spots. So let's go. We've arrived at our next stop for the day. It is called the Cafe Apartments, and it's a big apartment block, as you can see, full of different cafes, and I'm really excited to try this. We're going to go in there, we're going to get some food, we're going to get some coffee, Still trying to find some good Vietnamese coffee. Let's see if we can find it.
This apparently is the best coffee in the world, Vietnam. Ordered a drip coffee with a bit of condensed milk. Apparently this is the way to do it. Haven't tasted it yet. Super excited. Big coffee fan. So let's have a taste. I want to go black first, without any condensed milk. It's really good.
Is it?
And I'm not just saying that for the
Is it
camera.
really good?
It's really good.
Are you just saying this for the vlog?
No. It's actually really.
Oh, cool.
It's like an espresso. Like, it's a strong coffee, but it tastes really good. First afternoon here in Hoi, and we decided to come out to Tam Giang Lagoon. Hope that's how you pronounce it, fingers crossed. It's about 40 minutes out of town, and we just hired our own bike from our hotel and just drove straight out here. So nice and so peaceful. Just lots of rice paddies, different farms. Just a really nice drive. Like, everywhere you look, it's just rice paddies. Just made it to this abandoned water park, about half an hour outside of the city centre in Hoi. It's so creepy here, hey?
Yeah.
I read so many blogs and stuff online that reckon this is like one of the best things you can do when you're in Hoi. So yeah, let's go check it out.
You scared?
Yeah, I actually am.
Is it haunted?
It's haunted.
Is it haunted?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Dun, 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 dun. Time in Hue, I definitely recommend checking out the Imperial City. Hue used to be the capital of Vietnam, surprisingly, but this city is where all the political business used to run through and was built for like emperors and like really important people in the country. Lots of palaces and tombs and very historical, so we're gonna go check it out now. It costs about 15 Aussie dollars to get into the Royal Palace each per person for the full day. It's our last afternoon here in Hue, and we are catching a sunset over the river at this pagoda. Where is it? Oh, it's behind us, but it's so beautiful. We are going to get some dinner and then we're off to Hoi An in the morning, and we'll show you guys how we're going to get there in the morning. We are en route to Hoi An from Hue. You can't fly to Hoi An from Hue, so we've decided to catch the train from Hue to Da Nang and then get a taxi from Da Nang to Hoi An. The train ride's about 2.5 hours long. It's really cheap, it's about $15 per person, and it is so scenic. Like, I'm looking out the window right now and I'm seeing rice paddies and mountains and lakes and water buffaloes and just greenery, and it's so beautiful. So this is definitely the best option to get to Hoi An from Hue. So we're in the old town of Hoi An, and first impressions, really cute.
First impressions are skits in a good way.
In a good way.
Love it here. Already my favourite spot in Vietnam.
It's so beautiful here, and we've actually come at the perfect time. The Lantern Festival happens once every month on the full moon, and it's happening tonight. We're going to be lighting up our lanterns, letting them out on the river, like the hundreds of people that are here. It's going to be so beautiful, and I'm so excited. But for now, we're just going to walk around the streets and check it out.
So during the Lantern Festival, they actually shut down the old town to all scooters, so everyone's on foot or just riding push bikes, which is even cooler.
boat, and every full moon at sunset here in Hoi An, when the Lantern Festival is happening, everyone releases their candles onto the water as a peace offering to the gods and ancestors. And everyone around us is doing the same thing, and we're about to release our candles into the water.
So we're here this morning at Banh Mi Phuong. We're here about 9:30 in the morning because apparently at lunchtime this place gets packed out, and apparently the banh mi is just insane, so I'm really excited to try one. Let's go. This is the vegetarian one for Halza, and I got a mixed one. Alright. I'm ready to rock. On.
Oh my god.
They're really good. They're really good.
Give it a rating.
9.3. Good.
While we're in Vietnam, we really wanted to do a cooking class. We have booked a cooking class at a place called Miss Vi's, I think it's called. It's like a street food kitchen, kind of a street food hall, I think, as well. And we're about to walk in, and I'm very excited for this. Very excited to cook some Vietnamese food and know how they make all these delicious tastes.
Is it insect? Is it?
Silkworm.
Alright.
Inside, fish sauce, chili.
Thanks. Oh, I didn't like that.
You want more?
No, I'm alright.
We are back in Ho Chi Minh. We're really sad because our time in Vietnam is over.
Oh, I don't want to go home.
I know, me too. What was your highlight of the trip?
Hoi An,
Me too.
for sure.
I
think
loved
Hoi An was good.
I loved Hoi An. I think the food was my favourite part.
The food
is
all
like,
over is just insane.
it's insane. I can't. Oh my god, the food is so good. But we hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us. Thank you, Jetstar, for making this all happen.
Thank you very
It was
much.
such a good trip.
We hope you
and
guys enjoyed it.